Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to view the recorded media on GoPro Fusion 360 within an app. To view the recorded media, click on View Media. Now it will load all media. I have only one video and I can open it like that. Then you can play it, and as you can see, the video starts playing. You can view it, and you can also manage it, so you can click here to trim it. You can also click here to download it to your device. I'm gonna cancel that. You can also click here to save a certain frame, or you can select a moment, then add a highlight to it, like that. And if you've added some highlights while recording, you should be also able to view them here on the timeline. And that's how you view the recordings and the photos. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.